Hi, today we're going to do how to create a map chart in Tableau. So map chart is just basically a geographical representation of our data. So for creating this chart, I'll be using the Superstore dataset. So before creating this chart, let's take one example. So as you can see on the title, here is written the show the sales of each state on map chart. So for creating this chart, I'll just double click on the country column. So after double clicking here, as you can see on our screen, now this map is showing up. So after that, I'll take the sales feed and I'll drop it onto the color shelf. So after dropping it on the color shelf, so as you can see on screen now, the whole United States country is showing as a blue in color. So I just want to show the sales of each state. So in order to do that, I'll take the sales field and I'll drop it onto the detail. So here you can see now each state showing the different color only because of the color is varies from high to low. So what I mean, so the darker color is showing the highest sale and the lightest color is showing the lowest sale. So here it is how we can create the map chart in Tableau. Also we can label this chart. So in order to labeling it, I'll take the state field and I'll drop it onto the label. So as you can see now, the state name of each state has been showing, and also we can also label the sales field. I'll take the sales field and drop it onto the label. So now, as you can see here on the chart, the state as well as the sales of each state. So here we can create the map chart in Tableau. Thanks.